92. Praise to the Lord for His love and faithfulness. Verse 1. It is good to give thanks to the Lord and to sing praises to your name, O Most High. 2. To declare your loving kindness in the morning, in your faithfulness every night. Verse 3. On an instrument of 10 string, on the lute, and on the harp, with harmonious sound. Verse 4, for you, Lord, have made me glad. Through your work I will trump in the works of your hands. Verse 5, O Lord, how great are your works, your thoughts are very deep. Verse 6, a senseless man does not know, nor does a fool understand this. Verse 7, when the wicked spring like a grass, and when all the workers of iniquity flourish, it is that they may be destroyed forever. Verse 8, but you, Lord, are on high forevermore. Verse 9, behold your enemies, O Lord, for behold your enemies shall perish, all the workers of iniquity shall be scattered. Verse 10, but my horn you have exalted like a wild ox. I have been anointed with a fresh oil. Verse 11, my eye also had seen my desire on my enemies. My ears hear my desire on the wicked who rise up against me. Verse 12, the righteous shall flourish like a palm tree. He shall grow like a cedar in Lebanon. 13, those who are planted in the house of the Lord shall flourish in the courts of our God. 14, they shall still bear fruit in old age. They shall be fresh and flourishing. Verse 15, to declare the Lord is upright. He is my rock, and there is no unrighteousness in him. Amen.